Hello, my friends. Welcome to Easy English Learning. I'm JoJo. Today, let's listen to a story. The title is At the Coffee Shop. Are you ready? Let's begin. Arriving at the coffee shop. It is morning. The sun is shining. JoJo is walking on the street. She wants a warm drink. She sees a small coffee shop. It looks nice. It smells good. She opens the door. She goes inside. Talking to the barista. The worker smiles. Hello, says the worker. Good morning, says JoJo. What would you like? JoJo says, Can I have a cappuccino, please? The worker says, Hot or iced? Hot, please, says JoJo. Would you like something to eat? JoJo thinks for a moment. Yes, she says. I'll take a blueberry muffin. Great, says the worker. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you, says JoJo. Waiting in the shop. JoJo waits for her drink. She looks around. One man is reading a newspaper. A woman is using her laptop. Two friends are talking. It is quiet. It feels nice inside the shop. Getting the coffee. The worker says, Cappuccino and muffin for JoJo. JoJo says, That's me. She takes her drink. She takes her muffin. She sits down near the window. She drinks the cappuccino slowly. It is warm. She takes a bite of the muffin. It tastes sweet and soft. JoJo is happy. A short chat. Another woman sits nearby. She looks at JoJo. She says, I like your sweater. JoJo smiles. Thank you, she says. I like your bag too. They talk a little. They talk about the coffee. They talk about the weather. It is a short talk, but it feels good. Tashu time to go. JoJo finishes her drink. She puts the muffin wrapper in the bin. She puts on her coat. The worker says, Have a good day. JoJo says, You too. She leaves the shop. The sun is still shining. JoJo smiles. It was a good morning. A drink, a muffin, and a kind chap. What did we learn? Today we heard coffee shop, cappuccino, hot or iced, blueberry muffin. Can I have? That's all. Thank you. Have a good day. Great work. You listened. You learned new words. Thank you for learning English with me. Come back next time. You are doing great. Goodbye, my friend.